So let's go over the DEWALT 20 volt impact driver real quick. This is model number DCF885. Comes as a bare tool or in a kit. And like most other DEWALT tools these days, it has the belt clip, which can go on either side of the tool, whatever your preference might be. And once you get the battery on here, on this one they opted to go with 3 lights around the front. The lights actually create quite a bit of light. So what's nice about these 1/4 inch drivers is they've got the quick connect. So you can actually buy a multitude of different things. So I've got a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch adapter that I can run different sockets with. Most of the time I have this bit driver into my impact. I'm sure you've seen these quick connect drill bits that you can use. There's a ton of these different impact rated drivers as well that you can pick up these days. Now DEWALT rates the torque on this at 1400 inch-pounds, which I actually feel is underrated. I broke some bolts loose with this thing that I feel like it probably shouldn't have been able to do. To give you an idea, I'll check up this 3/8 adapter here and a socket. I run a 5/16 lag into a piece of wood here real quick. So this little impact gun packs quite the punch. I find it to probably be one of the most versatile tools that I own. It finds its way in the house on quite a few projects. It gets used out here in the shop quite a bit, and it's traveled pretty much all over my farm at one point in time. If you're in the market for an impact and you don't already have a drill, check out the kits they have available where you can get a drill and this impact together. Or if you've already got a few of the other tools and you're just looking for the impact, check out the bare tool. I think you'll be quite surprised at this impact once you get it.